Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are joining me for the first time, then thank you so much for stopping by. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you once again for returning. In today's video, as you can read on the title, I'm going to be doing a pack with me. I'm actually going to Gran Canaria tomorrow and I need to pack my suitcase because I literally have until tomorrow to pack it all away, and I've left it till the last minute. So I thought it would be really cute to do a pack with me. I also thought it might be cool to add a little bit of like a glow with me sort of in the video, because I still need to do my nails. I'm going to do my nails myself because I didn't manage to get an appointment. And then I'm also going to do some eyelashes as well. So I thought it would be nice to add into this video and do a pack with me, glow up sort of video and prep for the holiday. So I really hope you guys enjoy it, and yeah, let's get straight into it, guys. So guys, as you can see, I've written down a little list of like everything that I pretty much need to pack for my holiday. I just think that adding it to your notes and ticking it off as you pack each item just makes it easy. So I've written down dresses, shirts, shorts, toiletries, shoes and underwears, bras, those kind of things, medicine and makeup. So I'm just going to tick it off as I pack each item. It's just a really good way to make sure that I don't forget to pack anything, because honestly sometimes I've got 3,000 million things going on all at the same time, and this just saves my time in remembering everything. So I do definitely suggest to do it. I even do it on a daily basis when I'm doing a to-do list of what I'm doing in the day. I like to just use my notes, add the bullet points and then tick them off as I go along. So yeah, it might be worth for you guys to check out and try out if you struggle with you know, planning and scheduling things and ticking things off. So yeah, I'm going to now show you guys all the items that I have out on my bed. I'm going to be packing them into my suitcase. I also will show you some organizers that I purchased on Amazon, which are super useful for packing your suitcase and adding everything in and keeping your suitcase nice and neat, because that's one thing I love, is to make sure that everything is neat. Everything has its own place in my suitcase. That way it's easier to find things once you get to the hotel, rather than having things just messy. So yeah, I've got these little organizer compartments that I bought from Amazon. I'll link them in the description below, but I'll show you guys what they look like so you can see, yeah, what they look like pretty much. So guys, this is what the compartments from Amazon that I purchased look like. These are super like easy to pack your things in, and you can pack so much in one of them. I purchased quite a lot. I think it was about 12 and I don't even think I'm going to use all of them. But as you can see, I've got my dresses in here. I've got some shirts and shorts in this compartment here, and then I also got these like toiletry bags. I've got quite a few that I don't even think I'm going to use. This one here as well. Like honestly guys, it is literally like the best thing that you can add and buy when you are going on a holiday, because I just like all my things to be packed in like small compartments. It just makes it easier when opening your suitcase. I've also got all of my sandals and shoes that I'm going to take in this bag here, and I've literally got 1, 2, 3, 4. So I've got 4 pairs of sandals that are literally fitting in this compartment here, like, which is crazy but really good, because I just don't like to not have a lot of space to add everything in. I also purchased this tote bag as well, which I thought would be super cute for taking like around the beach and like adding all my products and stuff in. I don't like big bags, so this is super cute. I'll add the reference code if you are interested, but I thought this would be such a perfect beach bag to carry around with me. This is another like compartment that I haven't even used. I don't even think I'll even use that one, because so far I've got 1, 2, 3, and I've also got the 4th one that's in the bathroom that has all of my toiletries. And yeah, that is literally what the compartments look like. This is literally all my makeup that I need to decide what I'm going to take and what I'm not going to take. And also a little bit of my skincare products as well, because you guys know that I am all about the skincare life, so I need to take some bits. And I also need to remember to take like sunglasses and things of that nature as well. But yeah, this is pretty much what the bed looks like. It's got everything that I need to pack away. There's 2 more dresses that I need to add. In terms of my dresses, I haven't really purchased anything new except for this dress here. The other dresses that I have, I purchased them last year when I went to Mykonos. So I'm just going to pretty much wear those dresses, and this is a new dress that I've added to the addition of what I already have, and it's this really nice like sort of light brown creamish dress. It's a linen dress, and I thought this would be really nice to wear in the afternoon or in the evening when we go for dinner. I'm actually going to just take this tag off if I can. Okay, it's a bit more tough, but yeah, I'll add the reference code to that linen dress if you are interested. But I've just got a lot of like my linen dresses in, and I also need to remember not to forget to take my bikinis, which I'm going to take out now. These are all the bikinis that I'm going to take. Really lovely sandals from Zara. I absolutely love these sandals. They're like currently in high demand, but they're so comfy. They're so perfect for like dolling up, dressing up on your holiday. I just love them. I love the sandal, I love the heel, and I just like that it's a comfortable heel, because I feel like when you're on holiday you just want to be comfortable. And I just think that they're perfect for spring/summer. So yeah, I'll leave the reference code in the description box below. They do have these in different colors. I think they have this color with like black, and I think they've got black and something else, but I'll add them for you guys in the description box in case you are interested. But this is what they look like.
I got an ache inside of me. It's a deep hole where I bleed. Oh, can I seal it? You're like an ocean without land, not a single grain of sand. I'm drifting on it. So cold yet warm when you hold me, when you close. I know I'm a lost case, I'm a mess. But everything feels a little bit lighter with you. Something's letting me heal. You're making it brighter right through the gray.
Guys, I ended up having to paint my nails in a frantic rush because my fake nails that I bought, the glue was just not taking down yesterday, so I will have to tackle that once I come back. But for now I've just painted them, which doesn't look so bad, and I think it looks cute. So yeah, that is me done. I also did my eyelashes. So guys, I've also done my eyelashes, which I showed you earlier on. These are 8 millimeters. So yeah, they're super cute. They're not too long as well, so we'll see how long they last for. I purchased them on Amazon. I'll link them in the description box below for you guys to check it out. But yeah, in terms of packing, that went well. It's just a few things that I needed to add to my bags, like medicine and yeah, the toiletries that I used today. But that was pretty much, well, yeah, my pack with me, glow up with me. So it was a bit all over the place. It has been, you know, quite a busy 24 hours trying to get everything sorted to go on this holiday. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this pack with me. I'll be starting a new vlog for the travel vlog for Gran Canaria, so yeah, do make sure you check that out, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye dolls.